Hey, if you wonder if you can actually connect the wireless keyboard with your Realme C67, yes, for sure you can do this. But you will need, in the most cases, this USB hub. And this part, the USB-C port, the USB-C input, you have to input into the USB-C port. And then you will have this wireless adapter of your keyboard. So that's how it looks in my case. And I have to plug it right here into the USB-A. Just like this. Now I will have to grab my keyboard and I will have to turn on this keyboard. As you can see right now, it is turned on, and now I can try to open something, for example the search pool, and take a look. Now I can type on my keyboard and it is actually typing on the search pool. So as you can see, there's no any cable. That's the wireless connection thanks to the USB hub and this port. But also you have to be sure that your keyboard will be compatible with your phone. So just check if your keyboard is compatible with your Android device. In this case in the Realme C67. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.